Welcome to Mastering Security Plus. This training is designed to make CompTIA Security Plus simple, clear, and easy to follow. Before we begin, we strongly encourage you to print out the official syllabus and keep it with you as you study. Following along with the syllabus will help you stay organized, track your progress, and understand how each topic fits into the exam. This training is designed to give you a strong foundational understanding of the CompTIA Security Plus exam. It will help you become familiar with each domain, understand how topics are tested, and recognize areas that may require deeper study. We strongly recommend supplementing this training with more in-depth resources, such as Professor Messer and other reputable Security Plus instructors. If you stay engaged, follow the syllabus, review the concepts regularly, and reinforce areas that need improvement, you will be well prepared for exam day. We wish you success in earning your CompTIA Security Plus certification.